exploring ICONSIAM and its fabulous views. Let's go! We're back from the last video. We left off as we were about to enter ICONSIAM. As I said earlier, there's an event here. We'll come back later to check it out. ICONSIAM opened on the November 9, 2018. It's actually a mixed development consisting of a mega mall, hotel and residences. The residential tower, also known as the Magnolia's Waterfront Residences, is 70 stories. It is officially the tallest building in Thailand. We'll try show it to you later. ICONSIAM has more than 5 million square feet of retail space. The main retail tenant is the Japanese retail giant, Takashimaya. Let's go in now. Such a cool entrance. I need to get to the roof soon before the sun sets. Be right back. Gonna sprint upstairs. Made it just in time. This is the best place to view the sunset in Bangkok. It's known as ICONSIAM Park. To get to the park, head to level 2 of ICONSIAM, find the Apple Store, and walk right through it. There you'll find the park entrance. The park offers stunning views of the river and Bangkok. It also has unique artistic pieces curated by the Bangkok Sculpture Center. The park features auspicious plants. Keo Chao Cham, or Lignum vitae, symbolizes purity of soul. Krafi Chan, or Melodia brandishina, is a royally granted species, and a symbol of propitiousness. Luing Pradiathorn, or silver trumpet tree, blooms beautifully during summer, and breathes delight into the air. Finally, we have Ma Plub, or bow tree. It stands for wealth and prosperity. Of course, the park has other plants, such as cat whiskers, fragrant pandan, miniarut, Moses in the cradle, climbing oleander, purple orchid tree, Indian oak, perfume flower tree, Arabian jasmine, fuchsia, fukian tea, marguerite, and many, many more. Even at night it looks beautiful. That's Magnolia's Waterfront. And that's Oriental Residences. Up ahead is the Royal Orchid Sheraton. That's the Cat Tower. Let's check out the river view. OMG, it's stunning. Over in the distance is the Oriental Bangkok. The lights are like dazzling jewels. Let's check out the other side. That's the Lebu Estate Tower. They shot a scene of The Hangover to there. You can see more river cruise boats now. This was Apple's first store in Thailand. In 2020, Apple opened another store in Central World. The store was designed in collaboration with Foster and Partners. It has amazing views of the Chao Phraya, ICONSIAM Park and the Bangkok skyline. It was opened in November 2018, just at the same time of ICONSIAM opening. This is just my opinion, but to me, it's the most iconic Apple store in all of Asia. Just look at it. So sleek and cool. This is a romantic spot. Pro tip, bring your dates here in the evening. The sun is almost set. ICONSIAM sits parallel to the equator. The front faces the river and the morning sun. The back faces the west. This is apparently good feng shui. Apparently this results in good fortune, and being in front of a river means your money is constantly flowing. We're not surprised. ICONSIAM seems to have survived the pandemic. You can see the last rays of sunlight. The area I am facing is known as Klong San District. It's an upcoming Riverside district. Many new hotels and condos are sprouting up there. As you can see, Bangkok is a sprawling city. Its total size is 1,569 square kilometers. That's more than twice the size of Singapore. The city's population is also growing. This means more condos. Yes, demand is high, which means so are prices. A single two-bedder can go for 10 million baht in Klong San. That's like $300,000. But that's a bargain for this view. However, condos in the suburbs cost significantly lower. Example, a condo in Nong Kong Plu can go for 300,000 baht. That's less than US 10 grand. A single bedroom condo at the Magnolias waterfront costs 21 million baht. That's around $600,000. One thing to note, a single bedder here is huge. It's around 61 square meters. The condo comes with the following facilities: gymnasium, sauna, barbecue grill pits, Olympic-sized swimming pool, assigned private parking lots, lush gardens, children's play area, and round-the-clock security. This is being to sound like a sales pitch for the condo. We're just sharing information for our viewers. We want you guys to have realistic expectations before attempting to move or retire here. It's getting late, and I've still got to visit Asiatique. Getting this cool shot for the intro. One more shot of the Apple Store. Okay, I've got enough clips here. Oh wait, one more shot. Okay, let's go. Okay, time to check out the event. Leaving the building. Wow, there's even more people. Look at the crowd. Oh, it's a Songkran event. Time to head to the ferry. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Please like, follow, and subscribe.